Okay, so we're gotomath.com. That's where we are. Let's click on the algebra. Let's go down to fractions. And 8.2. 8.2 is where we are. Let's click on the marker board so we got something to write on. Subtract, reduce lowest terms. Okay. We got that. Anybody want green again? Let's do that. I don't know. Anyway, I had to make up my own marker board, write up some script for it because these were just the things. Oh, this is all I needed. Of course, I tend to add some other stuff, but talk about that later on in the story. Plus, I needed something to write right here so I can see the problem, type in the problem. Anyway, where are we at? We are got off on a tangent. Got off on a tangent. If you study some calculus, you'll know where that comes from, by the way. We need to get a common denominator. Okay? And, they go into this great big huge long explanation on how to get a common denominator in some books and stuff, and I'm just like, let's not try to make this any difficult than what it actually is, any more difficult, Anyway, common denominator, what we're going to need to do here is, let's use a different color. It looks like the only thing we're going to be able to do here is multiply this side by 4 over 4 and this side by 5 over 5. So let's just do that. So 4 over 4. We're choosing 4 over 4 because there's a 4 down here. Alright. And I almost forgot what color I was using. 7 over 5 minus 16 over 4. And you know what? I just now seen something. This can actually be reduced. You know something? We are going to reduce that before we do anything else. Whoa, definitely didn't want to do that. And let's erase that again. Forgot I need to click on draw again. So let's do 7/5 minus 4 goes into 16 4 times. Yep, that's it. But we're going to actually rewrite this as 7/5 minus 4 over 1. So we want to make sure we reduce our fractions down before we actually do anything else. Okay. We can now rewrite this as 7/5 minus 4 over 1, but guess what we're going to write over here? And we're going to write a 5 over 5, okay? Because 5 times 1 is 5. So now we have a common denominator. And I guess we'll just continue right over here, okay? And so we end up with 7/5 minus, 5 times 4 is 20. I almost, one mistake after the next here. 5 times 4 is 20, so you want to make sure you do that over 5. And if you reduce that down, you should get 4 over 1. Okay, but the idea here is to get a common denominator. So we have 7 minus 20, and what is that going to be? 10, 13? Negative 13, is that right? Over 5. Does this reduce down any? That's the question, and don't believe so. Okay, negative 13 over 5. There you go. All right. So we're over here at gotomath.com. You want to come on by, check that out, and I'll see you later.